Good Princess Presto Makes It Rain. Made by me, Joey Falco. I hope you enjoyed this video, everybody. I don't see any rain. Hey, Fufa, is everything okay? No, good Princess Presto. Everything is not okay. No, Princess Presto. Everything is not okay. I want water flowers, but there's no water. Well, you need rain. Yeah, but there is no rain. Yeah, you're right. How will I ask for water flowers without the rain? Cue the sparkles. Cue the music. Princess Presto to the rescue. Is my magic spelling one? I can spell the word. And me. Alright, now, how about this one? On. The magic spell. What those tickles? Anyways. What? I. Alright, now, make this. Alright, we go. Alright, just let me practice. R-I-A. Re. Presto. This spell. And made. Now, skin can grow. Let's take up now. Well, Princess Presto, you made it rain. Now the water. Ours can grow. So, thank you very much. Anytime.